What's up YouTube? I'm Mick from Mick Focus Photography and I'm here to show you some more basic tips. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning into my channel once again. If you like what you're seeing, please like, please subscribe and keep up to date with what's going on here. Now, like I said, we are doing the basics. So today is going to be a very quick one. Now don't worry about this, or this, or this, or even this. I keep telling you to get out and get shooting, and there's a reason for that. Now, with all cameras, they all store the data of the image. Even with your smartphone, should still do that. I know my iPhone 8 does. So what we'll do is I'll quickly show you on here. Now, we jump into here. Okay, pardon me. So now what we've got here is just a couple of images that I've shot recently. One here, this one, Merc. I'll show you what that is. Now that was just a quick photo that I took during my lunch break. Nothing exciting, just an old Mercedes. I thought it kind of looked cool, so I just quickly grabbed the photo with my phone. But to get out of there, we right click. Sorry Mac people, I don't know what that is. I'm guessing it's the same, but I'm working on a PC, so sorry. If we go down to the properties, we go into details. Now if we scroll down just a little bit to image, we can see all the details of the image in here. Now down here we've got camera, we've got details of the camera. So it's an iPhone 8, f-stop of 1.8, exposure time, the ISO setting, the focal length. I don't know if that ever changes. It does say down here 35mm focal length, so that could just be guessing what's going on there. Now if we get out of that one, there's another shot here, but because I've edited this one, it won't actually show the details. This is my friend Robin's wide body DC5. But as you can see, if we go into here, it's not going to show the details that I'm after. Alright, let's get out of that. But I do have the original file. Properties. Again, we go into details. And if we have a look here, there we go. You can see it's a Canon, my 70D, ISO of 100, f-stop of 22, 30-second exposure time, 26mm focal length. There was no flash on that one. We just used natural light, and with the 30-second exposure, I even had a handheld light running around doing a bit of light painting just to bring out the colours and that. And that's about it. So now that's all I wanted to show you today. Something nice, simple, quick and easy. And this is the reason why I want you to just get out and shoot. Now with this, what you can do, you can work out exactly what's going on with all your photos. Take a whole heap of photos, bring them back, put them on your computer, check out the specs. Find the ones you like and find out what works. So this will show you, note down the time of day that you took the photo as well. So if you work that out, you can have that as a note, put it into a notebook, and once you're out and about you can go, oh, okay, it's 7 PM, this is what worked last time. I had an ISO of 100, I used f11 and it was a 2-second exposure, and then you can work it out from there. The focal length doesn't matter too much, but everything else helps out. So now I hope that helped today. Don't forget, if you like it, please like, please subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.